This puzzle is called Chicken Scratch by AnalyticalNinja. I got it from the Sudoku Testing Submissions channel on the CTC community Discord. This setter has been doing a bunch of 4x4 puzzles, like a daily one over the past week or so. They've all been pretty fun, so let's take a look at this one. Let's look at the rules. Cells connected by the short purple lines contain consecutive digits, so this is just a two-cell Renban line. But so let's just see what that means. So if this is a 4, this could be a 3, or why can't, oh, it can't be a 5 because it's a 4x4. Okay, let's say if this is a 3, this is a 2 or a 4. I wasn't thinking, I was like, why is my 5 button not working? But yeah, if this is a 3, this must be a 2 or a 4, because of course that's how consecutive digits work. Cells separated by a black dot have a 1 to 2 ratio. So if this was a 1, this would be a 2. If this is a 4, this would be a 2. And so forth. I'll put a link to the puzzle down in the description. So if you want to give it a try, it should be pretty easy. They're mostly, yeah, they're mostly pretty easy. It's not very easy as a setter to make a hard 4x4. There's just not a whole lot of options, right? There's only, 4 in each cage, or like theoretically 4 options for this cell, and that cell reduces options everywhere else. So it probably shouldn't be too difficult. But let's jump into it. Okay, so this black dot can't have a 3 on it. If we tried to put a 3 on it, we can't have it because that would be like 1.5, and we can't double it because that would be 6, and we can't have a 6 in a 4x4. Therefore, it's either 1, 2, or 2, 4. Either way, it's going to have a 2 on it, and that'll put a 3 over here. If this was a 3, this couldn't be 2, but it could be 4. So that's something. I'm not sure. I guess this is yeah, on this side it's 1, 3, or 4. So this couldn't be a 1. If this was a 1, this would be a 2. It would be forced to be a 2 because that's the only consecutive digit, which would then break this here. So this is not a 1. So this is a 3 or a 4. So theoretically, that could be 2, 3, or 4 as the consecutive digit. Again, we can't use the 2 again, so this is a 3, 4 pair, actually. Not sure how helpful this is. I guess one of these is a 3, but we kind of already knew that. What? Well, what can this digit be? It can't be a 3 or a 4 since it sees both sides of this. So what can this be? This cell can't be a 3 or a 4 either. Well, that's going to actually fix everything. So this can't be a 3 or a 4. If we tried to make it a 3, neither of these cells would be 3, and it'd be double 4s, which would not work. Similarly, if we tried to do a 4, it sees both sides of this consecutive line, so this is not going to work either. So this can't be a 3 or a 4, so it must be a 1 or a 2. And now where do we put these two 1s and 2s down in box 3? First of all, we can just see that this can't be a 1. But they both must be over into column 1. If we tried to put one of them over here, besides the fact that it would conflict with this, yeah, we would run into problems. If we tried to make this a 2, 4 pair, well, we already have, that'd be 2 4s in the box, no 1s in the box. So this must be a 1, 2, this must be a 3, 4. Now this could be a 1, 2, or 3. And I think this must be a 3, because we know this is 1 of 1, 2, and we know this is the other 1 of 1, 2. So this cell couldn't then be light green or dark green. Actually, let's change that to more different colors. This couldn't be light green or pink because, like if we make this a 2, then both of these are 1 because it has to be consecutive to 2, and this one just can't be 2 because it's in the same row. So this can't be 1 or 2, same as this 3, 4 line, so it must be a 3, which means this must be a 2. We're going to get a number of digits around the grid here. Just finishing up some regular Sudoku. This is 1 or 4. This must be a 1 or a 3 because it connects to a 2, and it can't be a 3. And I think we're finishing it off. 2 and a 3. There we go. That wasn't too difficult. Yeah, I actually didn't see where we were going with this until I noticed that, of course, this cell sees both sides of this, which was the trick to make this all much easier, or not just much easier, but the trick to solve the puzzle. Yeah, but that was great. I really enjoyed that. So thank you, AnalyticalNinja, for the puzzle. It was a nice morning treat. Sorry if you can hear my chair. I just moved. I forgot to not move while recording. Um, but thank you for the puzzle, and thank you all for watching.